So in this video, you'll learn how to update your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step when it comes to updating your A56 is to open the Settings app. In Settings, you want to scroll and select Software Update. Then from here, in order for you to scan to see if you have any available updates, simply tap on Download and Install. This will start checking for any updates that are available. If you have any updates that are available, you will be prompted to tap on Install, then wait for it to be installed and downloaded onto your phone. Then you'll have to restart your device so that the update is added onto your device. However, as you can see, I have no updates available, and this is because my software is up to date. So all I need to do is just go back and wait until another software update is available. You also have the choice of auto-downloading any software updates so that whenever they become available. So you should see this option, auto-download. When you tap on it, you can choose to either set it to download using Wi-Fi only or download using Wi-Fi or mobile data. So with this, every time your phone detects a software update is available, it will automatically download it. And the only thing left is to restart your phone so that it can be installed onto your device. If you don't want this feature enabled, just select Never. And so that's how you can update your Samsung Galaxy A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.